You gonna say something? Okay, since... Hi! I locked him out of the car. Shh. Hi! Sorry. This probably looks really bad.
Restart.
No, I'm good. Okay. So, I'm in this car because it's freezing. And I'm bored.
It's not that cold out. What?
Like, wait, you go get Connor while I entertain them.
Connor won't come out because his parents might say no.
His parents won't say no. He will probably say no. But please,
He'll say no.
he won't say no. Please, you have to actually beg, like,
We're
please, someone say no.
already doing the zoo, so if we do the 60th zoo, it can't be the zombie.
What?
If we do a zoo today, that means it'll be the 50th zoo, and then we can't do the big zoo.
The big 50th video is going to be more random than zombies.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, after this video, we're going to go get him, okay? Because he lied. He's a liar.
Yep, and he would tell me that he has someone come out.
But to me, he will die if he says anything. Mm-hmm. I'm watching you, Connor. Okay. My soda. Mm-hmm.
Did you get on my son? You did.
The crazy look in his eyes. Wait, that was really weak. There we go. Don't show my parents this video, or they'll be all like, why'd you burp on camera? That's not ladylike. Whoever said I was ladylike, right? What?
Nothing.
I've done this before. Boom! Boop! Boop! Nobody won't complain about the camera work. See? Now people won't complain. We just need duct tape. Okay. Like my head. Yes. Sorry. I just had to do that because that was kind of funny. Okay. Want to hear me burp louder than Andrew?
Yeah.
What should I do? A burp competition.
Nothing.
Yeah, okay.
And that was without soda.
This is what we do when we're not around Johnson. Do burp competitions.
Okay, I need to stop.
Beat that four in a row. I can't do it. Okay, I need more soda. Okay, my turn. 7 times done. 2 times in a row. Your turn.
That sounds.
This is so immature. Stop making me laugh. Your turn.
I went.